Happy January, Happy New Year. I hope that you've been having a great 2018 so far. I'm super pumped because today I'm doing a new unboxing for you, and this time it is a PopSugar Must Have Box, which is something I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally got a subscription for Christmas, so I'm going to go through it with you. I've never had one of these before. I honestly don't know a lot about it other than it's from PopSugar.com, which is an awesome website to go to for fitness, health, family, beauty, just everything. It's a really awesome website. I use it mainly for fitness, for like training purposes when I teach my classes and train my clients and stuff, and to do at-home workouts. So when I heard about the PopSugar box, I was like, oh my gosh, let's try it out. So I'm going to open this live with you, and we'll see what's inside. So, PopSugar Must Have Box. Let me open it here. Just tape. Okay. So, the inside says, happiness delivered, PopSugar. And let's see. Okay, so, January must have. That's what it says. And then I'm going to guess, similar to Stitch Fix, it's going to explain everything in here. So I don't actually want to look at this yet. I want to read this later after I already see what's in my box. Okay, so this is really exciting. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the first thing. Oh my gosh, cool. This is a Keep Cup Original Reusable Cup. And that's what it looks like. I'll open it because you know what? I'm pretty excited about it. It says, disposable cups are rubbish. Join the reuse revolution with Keep Cup, and through your actions, inspire others to do the same. So here it is, a Keep Cup. Very cool. I really like this. Let's see if I can open it. Okay. Very neat. I'll read about it later in this thing. But, so that is number one. It feels pretty substantial. I don't really know what this thing is. Oh, yes, I do. Okay, see, you can. There we go. Very cool. Okay, that is number one. Number two is an RX bar. I've never had one of these, but I've known a lot of people who have. They're the ones that are just a couple of ingredients, so they're supposed to be really whole and natural. So this is a really good way for me to try one, I guess. This one is a chocolate sea salt, and these are all of the ingredients in it, nothing more. So I'll try that in a little while and let you know how it is. Ooh, this is really cute. It's like a beanie. Okay, let's see. I'll try it on. Boop. It's a nice little beanie hat. Which is perfect for, oh my gosh, this is so big, but it's cute. Perfect for, you know what, it's snowing right now. I wonder if I can show you guys. Do you see the snow? Yeah. I don't know if you saw that, but this will be ideal for that purpose, which is awesome. This is really soft. It's really cute. I don't know like what the brand is or anything, but oh, Hat Attack is the brand. So that's that. Very cute. And then we have, what is this? Nun Hydration Vitamins. So it kind of looks like an Airborne. If you guys know what that is. I'm just going to open it, I'm guessing. Yeah, so it's just like an Airborne. They're little tablets, and this one is vitamins. It says electrolytes, vitamins, low calorie, refreshing taste for hydration, strawberry melon natural flavor. So I'll read about that in the little booklet. All right. I'm excited about this. What is it? Guys, there's a lot in this box. I'm like loving this. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a really nice brand, actually, Pharmacy. And this is, I wonder how much this was because these are like full-size, really nice things. This is Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Echinacea Green Heaven Honey. You guys, this is really nice. This is an awesome size, a great brand. And my skin is so dry right now. So, oh my gosh, I'm really excited about this. I did get some gift cards to Sephora for Christmas. So now I don't have to use one on a moisturizer. I can use it on other fun things like makeup. All right, I'm gonna take this out. Okay, the inside's really cute. Not that you really care, but like, look at all that. How fun. Okay. Oh, cute. It has like a little spatula. Oh my gosh, this is like legit. I think there's obviously honey, but like legit honey in here. This is awesome. Very cool. I'm quite pleased. It's magnetic. Let me open it and smell it. Come on, be strong. Ooh, okay. All right, let's see. That smells so good, you guys. Look at it. It's really creamy. That's a terrible word, sorry. I'm really excited to try this. I'll read about it in a second too. So that's quite exciting. And I think there's one more thing. Best year ever, wall calendar with stickers. Cute. Girl, gotta love her calendars. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, best year ever with stickers. Cute. Okay, so like this is kind of some of the pictures. This is kind of some of the pictures that didn't make sense. But yeah, this is really cute. I'm loving this. Make it fun. Awesome. Here are all the images on the back. But so that's quite cool. And then it looks like there's just some little coupon things in here. So 15% off. These are X bars. What? So this is $50 gift card for HelloFresh. I don't know. I'm going to have to... Oh, 25 off your first 2 boxes for HelloFresh. So, I mean, I don't really understand. So $50 gift card, I'm guessing it just means you have to get 2 boxes and you'll get $20 off each one. So that could be fun. I've never done this. If you guys have done it, let me know because it's one thing I've been intrigued about. But I've just always thought it was kind of expensive. So let me know if you've done it and maybe I'll try it. Okay, I'll go through this really quickly now to kind of tell you a little bit more about all of the items. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So in the middle, it tells you everything you got. And I'll just read through these quick. If you don't want to listen to this part, you can be done. But otherwise, I'll tell you. So, Hat Attack, right here. It says a lightweight ribbed hat with faux fur palm. And then it kind of just tells you about it. There's not much to say about it, but it says retail is $44. And then these, the Hydration Strawberry Melon, nourish your body with a daily dose of tasty vitamins. This fruity tablet is made with completely clean ingredients, has 10 calories, and will hydrate you better than water alone. It's packed with electrolytes and vitamins, so you can start the year taking care of yourself. Cool, that's $7. Then the Bando Best Year Wall Calendar. I don't think there's a lot to say about that. The Keep Cup. Okay. Commit to your resolution to be more eco-friendly this year with a lightweight reusable coffee cup. The cup looks as beautiful as glass, but it's actually made from a clear BPA and BPS-free plastic called Tritan. Tritan? Unlike glass, this cup won't shatter if you drop it. Then the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer. Salvage your skin with this hydrating weightless moisturizer. It's packed with superfoods, hyaluronic acid, and honey. It's light enough to wear under makeup and moisturizing enough to keep dry skin at bay, and that's $45. And then the RX bar. I mean, there's not a lot to say about that, but okay, awesome. You guys, I'm really excited to be starting this subscription. I'm really excited to try all of these fun things that came in the box. Let me know if you've done this before and some of the cool things you've gotten in it. Or if there's any like tricks to getting the best box. I don't know if you can change what you get or if it's just the same every month, but I'll be figuring it out as we go along. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next month with another one. Bye.